We would get products delivered and they would just get dropped at our doorstep. There was no training involved, there was no follow-up, there was no relationship afterwards.
I've had so much experience in the past working with other companies and they just don't support their product well, and I think from day one an imperative was that we were going to support our customers no matter what better than anybody in the world. Here at Skydio, we've kind of taken a unique approach to really fully supporting our customers and not only with great products, but with a team that comes behind those products on the back end. We have a team which we call Mission Success, and really what that is, it's an entire team of post-sales support personnel that are going to partner with the customer to make them successful in using Skydio products and at the end of the day, their mission.
We don't just sell drones, we like to think of it as a drone program. So when the drones are delivered, they don't just show up on pallets and boxes with a note that says good luck. They show up with a person with a Skydio shirt on them who helps unbox those drones and those controllers.
And what this does is saying, hey, that we as Skydio, we care and we appreciate you guys so much that we're going to come out in person, make sure that all of our product that was delivered is fully up and operational for you guys before we leave.
And then we have a robust training department that is deploying in the field with customers to help them understand how to get the maximum value out of these things.
We are willing to go and travel anywhere in the world around the globe to help support our customers. Even if it is in a bit of a contested area, we still provide that training because we know how important it is.
And for a lot of our customers executing high-risk missions, they want to make sure they have a team that's on demand and ready to service their needs any time of day, anytime they need it.
How we understand our customers, that has a lot to do with our global government team and how we're hired, not only as subject matter experts within the drone industry, but also because we came from that environment as well, and we can, in essence, speak their language. I understand the customer because I was the customer, and that really helps us refine who we are as a pre and post sale.
I think the uniqueness with Skydio, and at least even direct feedback we've received from customers, is that Skydio not only makes amazing products, but they stand behind those products and they support them.